got to Taormina and met up with Suhi, the bride who's getting married on Tuesday. Woo! Where are you taking us right now?
We're going to Pizzeria Via Succato.
You've already been in town for a few days. How many days?
Since Saturday, I don't know what it is. No. Yeah, Saturday.
You've been here since Saturday?
Yeah.
No, it's okay, thank you.
No, Saturday? Friday. Oh my god.
Our first pizza. Are you happy?
Very.
So
cute, right?
Yeah. Some grapes too, maybe?
First, with a bite, you're giving first roll with ends only to just make a little thing. Once you're here, we put on the table, and then we start having this inside to squeezing and pressing to closing on top. At this stage, you're using only one hand and using the palm apart from your hands, pressing down and rolling together a couple of times. This one is a pressing, is let all be twisted in a skewer and close it. If in case this happen, right, you're going to fix one way, right? You see? But you always need to press because stick remaining. Now, if you feel that the dry ones need hard pressing, the soft one needs speed. What's to doing later is this. Take a knife, hands to holding soft the hand part of the pasta, other hands here to holding the skew to twist back and forth and pulling off. Do not squeezing hard with the ends because otherwise you leave all of the fingerprint. So leave it whole open like this is important to let the water when it's boiling. For 3 more days, it can keep soft and moist like this. Try to not taking a big fry. I hope you don't undervalue the things we're talking where we've been at the market to make sure you're choosing the right the quality, the right ingredients, because that's the first stages, the first rule. I have to just say buon appetito, so enjoy your lunch with what you made with your nice hands. And plus this, if you have any problem, any complaint of food that you make with your nice hands, don't forget that you, of course, you were the chef today.
Class was incredible. I was super nervous to go on my own. Like, I almost didn't go because I just didn't want to be like, I don't know, I just didn't want to go alone. I'm so good at being alone in my home. I'm not good at doing things alone. Like, I could never go to dinner by myself. I could do a cafe if I have a computer or a book, but this was definitely out of my comfort zone. But anyway, so I just got home from the cooking class and I put on my bathing suit and I'm gonna try to go down to the beach. It's already 4:30. I think the beach closes at 6. So I'm gonna take this cable car from town down to the beach because Taormina is up on a hill. And I at least just wanna like lay there for a second. I don't expect to get a tan, but I just kind of wanna like dip in the ocean, swim for a second, be there, experience it, see it. Since tomorrow will be wedding festivities non-stop, I think this is my only chance. I'm gonna go. Again, choosing my own adventure. I'm gonna meet up with everyone for dinner and we've got cocktails with the bride planned. It's gonna be a whole thing tonight, but for now, I'm gonna go on one more solo adventure. We're at Bam Bar and we're having breakfast. This is Sonny. Hi. We're just kind of waiting, hanging out until the wedding later. Look, it's so cute here.
The wasps and all the bees come.
Entering the Greek theater. Didn't do a tour, we're just doing self-guided. I'm glad we came here. Songy and I just finished at the Greek theater and we wanted to go to this park, Villa Comunale. And we found it, and literally every corner we turn, we're like gasping because it's so beautiful. Literally everywhere. Even the corners that are kind of like dingy are beautiful. With the palm trees. Oh, I love it here. Just did the procession through Taormina and wait till you see Suhi. Dun, dun, going to the chapel and we're gonna get married.
Feeling like I've never had this many people stare at me in my life, so.
You didn't get the sibling shot.
We're walking and people are clapping. She's like so beautiful. Oh my god, you look so beautiful.
Stop, you're crying now?
No, my eyes just watering.
I'm not crying, you're crying. It's the dust from the older building. I'm not crying, you're crying.
No, it's literally I'm
When I came down, he was like, well, you look so beautiful, I'm gonna cry.
I didn't say that.
Are you gonna cry?
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna cry.
Oh, baby, I just wanna tell you that. No, no, no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. Go get down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No.
It's 1,000,000 degrees and I'm wearing jeans because we're going to the airport. We've been sitting here in this little cafe in this little piazza with all of our bags because we had to check out of the Airbnb. And we're going to be heading to Rome in a couple of hours. So we're just waiting for our driver to get here. It's hot. Today is our last full day in Rome. And we slept in, or at least I slept in. I don't know if you slept in.
Yeah.
But we relaxed longer today instead of like jumping out of the apartment at 8. Now we're walking to La Rinascente, the mall, department store. We're gonna do some shopping. And apparently there's supposed to be a really beautiful rooftop cafe. Cause I'm like hungry. Is that it? Oh yeah, we found it. The Crocs in the Hermes bag, iconic. Iconic. Woohoo! In the Spanish Steps. Rushing, 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 rushing.